Steel is the developmental foundation for a number of industries. It is also the key component of construction material industry and auto industry, which the Thai government has proactively developed today. Tycoons Worldwide Group Thailand Public Company Limited completed an upstream to downstream core technology integration from wire rod and bar rolling, spheroidized annealed wiring, to screw forming, case hardening, and surface treatment, which is an obvious contribution to economic development. With price competitiveness, supreme quality and on-time delivery, they provide their customers with the most efficient service. Aiming at continuous operation as well as prosperous future, they have become the world-class multinational company, which is the only one possessing steels, wire rods, and screws in Thailand. The source of Tycoons Thailand can be traced back to the establishment of Tycoons Corporation Taiwan during 1980. For years, Tycoons Corporation's principle of pursuing innovation and change and in search for excellence, as well as its stable operating style, have been widely accepted, which brought it with the opportunity to become a listed company in 1995. In order to maintain its corporate growth and execute its management concept, Tycoons Corporation Taiwan determined to integrate its core technology vertically and set up its steel rolling factories by using its existing strategies. After thoroughly analyzing the investment environments of Taiwan and other countries in Southeast Asia, Tycoons Corporation decided to found Tycoons Thailand during 1996 due to its environmental advantages like political and economic stability, adequate manpower, cheap land, as well as preferential investment privileges. The beginning capital is 1.833 billion baht and rose to 5.028 billion baht in 1999. Tycoons Thailand is located in Rayong, a newly developed industrial region, which is adjacent to Bangkok and 2 deep water harbors. It is an excellent place with convenient transportation, well-developed communications, as well as sufficient supply of water, electricity, raw materials, and manpower. Tycoons Thailand enjoys a number of the BOI authorized preferential investment privileges. The primary preferential tax privileges are as follows. 1. Free of profit tax for 8 years. 2. After 8 years, half of the profit tax is deductible. 3. Those imported raw materials for exported products can be free of tariff for 5 years. It is deferrable after the due day. Tycoons Thailand is dedicated to becoming the close partner for its customers worldwide, so that it relentlessly pushes itself for innovations and excellence. It has built an international manufacturing network which covers screw, drywall screw, self-drill screw, and particle board screw. It also expands upward to CHQ spheroidized annealing wiring, low-carbon steel, cold-heading quality steel, medium-high carbon steel, and low-alloy steel wire rod and bar and coil. All these products are widely utilized in cutter pins, clips, sifters, electrode materials, cold forging rods, hand tools, springs, PC strands, steel wires, umbrella bones, piano wires, vehicle components, sparker tips, belts, steel balls, motor axes, and a variety of fasteners. Its products are widely accepted and appreciated by the public. The principal means of product sales which Tycoons Thailand adopts is direct sales. Among all the products, wire rods and bars are mainly sold nationally, holding approximately 55% of the production. For spheroidized annealed wiring, it uses 60% of the production for producing screws nationally and exports 40% to other countries. Its exporting countries are spread over the USA, Europe, Japan, Korea, China, Taiwan, India, Pakistan, Turkey, Iran, Australia, Southeast Asia, as well as Poland, Russia, and other East European countries. With the use of those less than 6 cm screws as components, Tycoons Thailand products can successfully hold the American importing market for as much as 8.16%. With the heritage of screw and annealed wiring production methods from its parent corporation, as well as provision of facilities and wire rod and bar rolling technology from the German, Japanese, and Swedish factories, Tycoons Thailand has not only become the unique manufacturer in Thailand, but also one of the few counterparts in the world which owns low carbon, medium high carbon, cold heading, and low alloy steel wire rod technologies. It successfully developed bright heat treatment in the wire rod's vacuum spheroidization process and the non-contaminating black phosphate surface treatment method as well. As a result, it raises production efficiency and meets the environmental protection needs. The factory of Tycoons Thailand is size 700,000 square meters. Its highly automated and flexible production system possesses upstream to downstream vertical integration capacity. Within the region, aside from systematically arranging a full-scale manufacturing facility, the rest of the region is reserved for greens and future expansion. The manufacturing facility includes billet storage yard, rolling mill, intermediate drawing plant, wire rod spheroidization plant, pickling plant, skin pass drawing plant, screw shaping plant, case hardening plant, surface treatment plant, packaging and shipping area, wastewater treatment area, power exchange station, gas supply station, water storage area, as well as the administration building, restaurants, and employee dorms. For steel rolling factories, there is an average of 360,000 tons of wire rods and bars produced with homogeneous diameters. Its full flow starts from billet straightening, shot blast cleaning, to fluorescent magnetic power flow detecting, wheel grinding, furnace heating, rust removing, roughing mill, intermediate mill, finishing lining, trimming, upsetting test, tensile test, compacting and tying, to weighing and shipping. Each single step of the whole process is carefully planned and implemented. Tycoons Thailand established a unique billet defect testing and wheel grinding line in the screw manufacturing industry in Thailand, which monopolizes its unlimited resource demand and thus guarantees its product quality and product value. Besides, the automatic temperature control furnaces with laser detecting in 8 regions also assure position heating of billet. The rolling machine is vertically and horizontally arranged for hot rolling with no twist. Each rolling line is equipped with 7 loopers and 2 sets of Orbis hot gauge measurement system to assure product profiles and monitor if dimensions meet customer requirements. The centralized control room is fully computerized for setting up as well as simulating the control functions. In terms of spheroidized annealed wire, the original monthly production is only 6,000 tons. However, Tycoons Thailand accumulated years of experience and technologies in drawing, vacuum spheroidization, skin processing, and skin pass drawing. At present, the maximum monthly production reaches 6,500 tons. Tycoons Thailand is the only manufacturer which proceeds spheroidization process with hydrogen atmosphere annealing furnace. Compared with those still operating with nitrogen, it produces its wire rods with stability and brightness, which guarantees loyalty from customers. during the screw production process. From forming, case hardening, to surface treatment, every step is uniquely carried out. Tycoons Thailand owns one of the world's largest screw forming factories with over 800 units of various sized forming machines. Each size meets the criteria of high efficiency and huge capacity. Its maximum monthly production now reaches 3,500 tons. The case hardening equipment adopts PLC control system, which allows customizing heat treatment parameters for different screw materials. The workstations in the field not only monitor the whole process, but also perform real-time adjustment and control functions. Surface treatment offers diversified services based on different customer requirements. The electroplating line follows dehydrogen embrittlement furnace to help enhance quality. The self-developed black phosphating process is the only process in the world with no need for sodium metabisulfite, fully compliant to the environmental requirement. With its zero-defect quality assurance for each system, Tycoons Thailand was accredited with ISO 9001 certification from Great Britain and China, which proves the international assurance of its product quality. To gain customer satisfaction and trust, Tycoons Thailand places a heavy emphasis on the interaction with its customers, which transforms from commercial transactions to close partnership with information exchange and mutual benefits. Plus, it introduced an ERP system which successfully integrates each single part of the whole product supply chain. With overwhelming manpower, it takes initiative to assist the customers. Accordingly, its international competitiveness has been enhanced and its business has been continuously developed. Tycoons Thailand regards its corporation as a social tool. On the onset of its incorporation, it has put environmental considerations into every detail of the factory design. In order to raise the effectiveness of environmental preservation, it has completed the construction of a centrally controlled oil cooling system, oil removing system, together with quench oil recycling system. Aside from recycling its wasted materials, it has also invested a great amount of capital to set up the modernized wastewater treatment area and introduce amenities like sludge dehydration machine, sludge drying furnace, as well as exhausted acid, exhausted gas, and exhausted oil treatment facility. Simultaneously, it has set up an environmental lab to fulfill environmental protection responsibility with professional environmental engineers so as to optimize the quality of employees' working environment. It is Tycoons Thailand's relentless efforts to consistently improve the production process and implement greenery plans. Consequently, it has been accredited with ISO 14001 certification, demonstrating its effectiveness and confidence in both of the safety and hygiene aspects. In terms of employee benefit, Tycoons Thailand offers packages higher than the industry standard. It offers educational training and technical qualification programs to cultivate internal talents. Tycoons Thailand also hires professional public safety engineers and keeps bettering public safety facilities. It owns medical staff, an in-house clinic, and ambulances to take the best care of its employees. Attributing to the technology research and production experience accumulated for years, Tycoons Thailand is capable of using its advanced technology and high value-added wire rod and bar and coil products, replacing all the imported products. With as high as 90% of national exports, it not only spends less and earns more via foreign exchange, but also provides job opportunities for local labor. Notably, all of its contributions have positive influence on prospering society and developing the economy. It is strongly believed that Tycoons Thailand will have a fruitful future under the trend of developing technology-intensive and capital-intensive industries. Based on its management principle of pursuing innovation and change and in search for excellence, it will get hold of its competitive advantages to reach the optimum of its business performance with endless consideration, innovation, and improvement. Beyond doubt, dedicating to other related businesses and the whole national economy will be its next step.